Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Brian. Don't adjust your computer screens or your phone screens. This is real. I, like a dingbat, forgot to make an intro and an outro for today's video. So today's video is going to be just like normal, me pouring, but I'm not going to have the outro with the dried result and explaining and all that stuff. So today I'm just going to get down on the canvas. We're going to paint. I will show you the dried results, and then that's going to be it. So everyone have a great weekend, and I will see you for sure on Wednesday. Bye. All right, guys, so what I've got is a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. And my colors today are going to be Amsterdam and Prussian blue, Amsterdam sky blue light, Amsterdam in the copper. It actually has a little copper and bronze mixed together. Caput Mortum. This is a combination of primary blue, I believe it is. Brilliant blue mixed with some DecoArt ice blue. And then my white is going to be Artist Loft soft body white. All right, going to do a straight pour. And I am going to put a little bit of white in. And we're going to dribble in some bronze copper. I'm going to start off with some Prussian blue. And Prussian blue and sky blue light next to each other, gorgeous color combination. A little bit of white. Some Caput Mortum. And that pretty blue. All right. So then we're just going to keep layering like that, I think. Pour into a little bit of white here in the center. And a straight pour right into that. while this is developing, I'm gonna go ahead and pour out some white here. All right. Oh, shoot. That, ladies and gentlemen, you need to be careful with your gloves. Luckily, I've got enough paint on here. I think I can stretch this down, get that little mess up off. Take that over the edge and then bring it back. Getting some really big, poofy, cloudy cells here with my titanium, with my soft body white. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. Man, did this white really cloud up. Look how that white is selling up on the edge too. All right, we'll just have to see how this dries. Be right back. Okay, here we are with the dried results. So this got really, really cloudy with the white. That white that I put down, that I poured into, really selled up there on the edges. I'm not super in love with this piece, but I do enjoy it. I like the cloudiness that it, even though it created too much, see those cells right there? But then over here, look at these big cloudy cells. But then down here, all this white, that's because I added too much white in the bottom of the cup when I first started pouring. So, note to self, don't over pour the white in the very beginning.